4,543 Peter Thiel's Founders Fund thinks institutional investors wanting on Bitcoin on Tuesday. Reports regarding the notorious Facebook investor and venture capitalist Peter Thiel and his Founders Fund was revealed. According to sources familiar with the matter, Thiel's fund has made an investment in the startup Tigami, a firm that plans to execute cryptocurrency buy and sell orders as a brokerage service dealing with institutional investors and family offices. Also read, this guy is fighting a legal battle with the CFTC over Bitcoin classification. Peter Thiel's Founders Fund helps inject $15.5 million in capital into the cryptocurrency startup Tigami Systems. The Peter Thiel Founders Fund is betting that institutional investors want to get in on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency markets. Thiel's venture capital firm maintains the biggest portfolios in Silicon Valley, and just recently it made an early-stage investment in Tigami Systems Incorporated. The Wall Street Journal reports that Tigami is a startup that aims to provide electronic trading guidance to cryptocurrency investors. Tigami is a startup based out of New York, and the company just filed a Form D notice with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, on March 15. The report on May 1 details that the Founders Fund was involved in a funding round for Tigami that resulted in $15.5 million USD. The publication did not detail whether or not the Founders Fund led the seed round, and details on Tigami's business model is relatively unknown. However, the recently filed Form D with the SEC shows that the Founders Fund managing partner, Napoleon Ta, is named as one of Tigami's directors. According to reports, Tigami plans to facilitate high-speed electronic brokerage services with cryptocurrencies to institutional investors and family financial management services alongside over-the-counter (OTC) operations. Long on cryptocurrencies, Tigami Systems is the Founders Fund's fourth cryptocurrency venture. The Facebook and PayPal investor Thiel is a big believer in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Earlier this year, the Founders Fund revealed it had allegedly amassed hundreds of millions of dollars of Bitcoin since mid-2017. Just recently, during an interview with the Economic Club of New York, Thiel stated he was long on Bitcoin and called it the Internet's gold. I would be long Bitcoin, and neutral to skeptical of just about everything else at this point, with a few possible exceptions. There will be one online equivalent to gold, and the one you'd bet on would be the biggest. Tigami Systems is not the only cryptocurrency project the Founders Fund has dipped its venture capital paws into. Thiel's fund has also recently invested in the tokenization platform Harbor. Additionally, Thiel's organization has injected capital into the fund's Polychain Capital and Metastable Capital, which are primarily focused on cryptocurrency investment vehicles as well. Tigami's Form D filing with the SEC shows the firm has declined to disclose its revenue range, and the securities offered by the startup are disclosed as equity. What do you think about Peter Thiel's Founders Fund throwing more money at cryptocurrency ventures? Let us know what you think about this subject in the comments below.